Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I want to show you what I do in the spring when there's not very much around. What I do is I get a container, fill it with foam, cover the foam with a little bit of baby tears which will continue to grow. I find the leaves that I know are going to last, which is these the Magnolia leaves. I know that the rosemary will last, and who would know that these berries were artificial unless they were to touch them? This started out life with magnolias. I used some blossom in it, and today I want to show you, just using the same concept, how to put it in a few tulips. Now I've got some fresh tulips here and I've got some artificial tulips. I've only got 5 little baby tulips, but I've got some wet moss down here, some wet foam down here that I've kept wet. And all I do is I take out the old flowers and I put the new ones in. And honestly, I can get like 5 to 6 weeks out of this one design, just changing it up with the flowers. It's fantastic. Okay, so getting my little tulips here. These I'm just going to just quietly just get down and into there. And if you don't have very many of your flowers, just keep them nice and low. And what I do need to share is that tulips have a little life all of their own, and they will continue growing to the light. So I just had a few of these in my garden, and I just thought, oh yes, I'll just pick those and bring those inside so that I can enjoy. Now this is a design I also do. I've got a couple of very, very dear friends who are now in retirement homes, and 2 of them in particular can't get out of bed anymore. And what I do is I like to go and visit them every week, and I take them the container's all there, and I just take them a wee fresh bunch of flowers, take the old stuff out, re-water it, and anything that's a bit marked I just remove and then put new flowers into it. So there we have an arrangement with just a few tulips. And then what I like to do is, if I'm really stuck, just getting some artificial, and then you just stick those down and in amongst the little living flowers, and it just means that they've got a nice design that keeps on keeping on. And because these are artificial, I can take them just a little bit higher, but I just love it with, you've got these lovely leaves and the lovely berries. This here is great stuff because at certain times of the year you can stick this into the ground and it will just continue to keep growing. So put that wee one down there. And I just know that Mrs. Wilson is just going to absolutely love this, because I'm going up to see her today, and she loves spring flowers. So that's just a little bit of spring, just a few flowers. Yep, there are some artificial, but when you look into the colorway of this, and then in with these wee natural ones, and with the oranges, you can't actually tell that they're artificial. I love doing designs like this, and I hope that I've helped you with the solution of how to bring just a few spring flowers inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again another day.